Kingfisher Airlines buoyant by just about 0.4%. Doctor, now to you then, and on the entire aviation basket, out of the three, maybe a Jet Airways, a SpiceJet, which is plummeted on the back of news of its own. How would you say for Kingfisher Airlines?
I think all of them are trying to sort of stay afloat in terms of the share prices, whether it's Jet or Kingfisher. SpiceJet, of course, now additional problems, which has seen it actually cave in and give way beyond the support. So I think we should largely discuss only KFA and Jet. Between the two, yes, Jet is certainly a little slightly better placed. But if you see the charts of both KFA and Jet, they are not very dissimilar, right? And it's priced around 41.5 right now, KFA. It has a support zone between 38 to 40, which has held several onslaughts. So I think both of them are, similarly for Jet, it's at about 440. So both of them are trying to hold on to those supports, and I think the near future, at least the medium term, would really depend upon whether those onslaughts on this supports at say around 38, 39 for KFA and 430, 40 for Jet will really survive. If they do survive, then you can see some upside action. For KFA, I think I would wait till it's about 46, 47 to see that its head is above the water. Similarly, for Jet, it would be somewhere around maybe 500 plus. So, both these stocks have the work cut out for them. We need to just wait and see whether they are actually able to do this. Until then, it's a pot shot. You are just trying to take a call that the support will particularly survive. So I think it's a touch and go thing right now.
All right, but still slightly bullish outlook coming in on Kingfisher Airlines. The target of 46 is what Dr. Narayan pegs out for that counter. We'll slip into a short break right now. Come back, discuss the stocks with us.